Someone can be this game.
And the Vice Captain, Mr. Ben Dunk, and the rest of the Australian champions. Please also want to accompany us on stage, Mr. Irfan Waheed, the CEO of GFS Development, and Mr. Adil Akbar, Managing Director of GFS Development. Might be a little bit cramped on stage.